Hello there, beautiful people. It's your boy Investor Blak, and I welcome you back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to the two-way strategy as inspired by Investor Blak, which is my humble self, right? So basically, the two-way strategy is just a market neutral strategy that allows you to make profits either way, whether the market is going up or the market is going down. Down does not concern you. All you know is that at the end of the day, the market will go in your favor and you're going to be in profit. But it is easier said than done. A lot of people make the mistake of jumping on the two-way strategy without getting the full gist. Okay, there are a lot of videos out there. A lot of people claim to know the two-way strategy, and they've been posting a lot of fake information about the two-way strategy, and that is so sad, because once you jump on two-way strategy with those information, you end up losing a lot of money. I know some of you watching this video must have experienced that, but the good news is that I'm here, and I'm here to show you step by step on how you can actually make money the right way using the two-way strategy. And I'm going to explain the two-way strategy in a nutshell for those of you that are totally new to this kind of thing. The two-way strategy is basically a type of trading, in a type of strategy that allows you to make money irrespective of the direction of the market. Okay, so on Binance or any other trading platform, there is what we call the futures trading. So the futures trading is basically you trading in advance. Okay, so when you know that the stock is going to go up, you buy it in advance, and when it goes up, you sell it back. Okay, so you're buying low and selling high, and you're selling high and buying low. So it doesn't matter whether you buy first or you sell first, as long as you're buying low and you're selling high. Okay, so that's basically what futures is all about. So the two-way strategy is you being in the middle. Okay, being neutral. Okay, being in the middle, not being a bear or being a bull. You're just at the middle. So irrespective of where the market goes, you're going to be in profit. So I'm going to just explain that right now. So for example, how the principle of the two-way strategy simply means that you're trading based on discrepancies between two correlated markets. What do I mean by two correlated markets? Let's say, for example, an example of a correlated market is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, whenever Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum follows, and whenever Bitcoin comes down, Ethereum comes down as well, right? So it means that they are correlated. So they are going positively correlated. Okay, another form of correlation is negative correlation. Negative correlation is when a stock goes up, the other goes down. Whenever that one comes down, the other one goes up. They can never go in the same direction. So that's negative correlation. So we are going to be trading with both negative and positive correlation, but the most common one is the positive correlation, which is what you can see in the screen in front of you. So this first one is representing Bitcoin, and the red one is representing Ethereum, right? So whenever Bitcoin went up, Ethereum followed and went up as well. Bitcoin came down, Ethereum came down. Bitcoin went up, Ethereum went up. Bitcoin came down a little, Ethereum came down. Bitcoin went up, Ethereum went up, like that. So as you can see, they are going in the same direction up until this point where Bitcoin is going up and Ethereum is coming down. And whenever this happens, we say there has been a discrepancy. So that discrepancy is the window of opportunity for the two-way strategy. Okay, so basically at this point where there is a discrepancy, all you have to do is long and short. Okay, long one and short one. So in my course that I'm going to be introducing you to, which is the two-way strategy course explained by Investor Blak, is a paid course, by the way. So if you're out there and you want to actually spend money on something that is going to change your life, then you should go for my two-way strategy course. It's quite affordable for 60 USD. I know people that sold this course for $200 because of the sensitive nature of the content of the course. Okay, so I've taken the stress to actually create an app just because of how sensitive the information in this course is. I don't want it to be duplicated, I don't want it to be sold, I don't want it to be abused. That's why I put a price tag on it, and the price tag is quite fair, if I do say so myself, right? So basically, you're going to be longing and shorting, and at the end of the day, you're going to be in profit irrespective of the direction of the market, right? So now that you know about the two-way strategy, I'm going to show you how you can access my course if you're interested in my course. Like I said, it's going for 60 USDT. 60 USDT, right? So first thing you need to do is to go to investorblak.com/2ways. investorblak.com/2ways. So if I go to investorblak.com/2ways, as you can see, and I hit enter, it's going to take me to the opt-in form for the two-way strategy, right? So just give it some time to load. My network is quite slow, but if you give it some time to load, it's going to actually show you the two-way strategy. Okay, so as you can see, the two-way strategy, this is how the two-way strategy opt-in page looks like, right? This is a set of instruction, and I would want you to read this instruction as you are registering, because this is going to guide you on how you can get it. This is the button to download the app that will grant you access to the two-way strategy. Once you download the app, you won't still be able to log in until you've been assigned your username and your password, and that is where this instruction comes in. This instruction will guide you on how you can get those details. Okay, so basically you read this instruction, then once you read the instruction, fill this form. Once you fill this form, I click submit to take you to another page. Okay, once it takes you to that page, what you are going to see on that page is this QR code that is here. Okay, this QR code is a Binance Pay code, and whenever you scan a Binance Pay code, it takes you to a payment window where you can pay for something. Okay, and what you're going to be paying for is for the two-way strategy. So all you have to do is to scan the code that you will see on the next page after you must have clicked submit. Make sure you put in your correct information here so that you can get a notification mail once your login details are ready, right? So after you scan this code and pay, the next thing you need to do is to screenshot your success message, screenshot your proof of payment. Once you've done that, the next thing you're going to do is to click on paid. Okay, so after you click on submit, the next page that you're going to see this QR code, you are going to also see a paid button. Once you click on that paid button, it's going to take you to my WhatsApp DM with a customized message saying that you've paid for the course and that you want to submit your screenshot. Once you submit your screenshot, I'm going to ask you for your username, and I'm going to allow you to have access to the two-way strategy course. Apart from you having access to the app, I'm going to be hosting some other courses on the app, like my CPA marketing course, which is on the pipeline, my mirror strategy course, which is even better than the two-way strategy course, and some other courses, right? I'm going to be hosting all these courses on this app, and that's why you need to download this app. The iOS version of this app is still under development. Currently we just have the Android version, so please bear with me, iOS users. I still have you at the back of my mind, and I'm working towards it, and it's going to be ready. But if you are an iOS user and you also have an Android phone, you can still sign up using the app. It's the same username and login details that will be used for the iOS version as well, right? So once you've gotten access to the two-way strategy, then you can go through the course. You also have access to my private Telegram group where you're going to be getting signals back to back. So I'm not just selling a course to you and just leaving you by yourself. Okay, I'm going to also stick around to show you how you can be successful with the course. I'm going to stick around to show you how you can be successful with the course. Okay, so now that is all. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my mobile device just to give you an overview of what the app look like, which is the MMO hub, the iBlak make money online hub, which is my newly launched app. I'm going to show you what the two-way strategy looks like in that app, guys. So do well to download this app right away if you believe in what I do. Okay, okay guys, so like I said, the app is ready. So this is my mobile app, which is what you can see right here. So I'm going to allow it to load so you can see what the two-way strategy course looks like. Okay, so as you can see, I'm currently viewing my dashboard as a user. So this is how your dashboard, what your dashboard is going to look like when you have logged in. I'm going to log out and show you what the app is going to look like once you're not logged in. But right now I'm logged in, and I'm going to show you the two-way strategy course, that it's ready, it's up and running, and all you have to do is pay for the course to join the course. As you can see, I'm going to just play the first Hello there, beautiful people. It's your boy Investor Blak, and I welcome you back to my channel. Okay guys, so as you can see, that is the video. It has a lot of videos in it and it's very explanatory. Okay, so basically to navigate this app, you have some menu at the bottom, which is the dashboard, the quiz attempt. So there will be quiz questions also for this, just to see if you understand it well enough. Okay, then there is this menu button that contains a lot of menu options like your dashboard, your profile, the number of courses you've enrolled in, reviews, and your order history and your calendar. So if you have like a timetable to actually go through the courses. Okay, yeah, so apart from that menu at the top here, you're gonna see two bootstrap menu. The first bootstrap menu is the one that is in purple, and this one is just a mini navigation menu where you can see courses. If you click on social, it's going to take you to my social media platform where you're going to see all my social media posts at a stretch, okay, at a glance, right? So this is my social wall. As you can see, this is my Instagram. If you keep scrolling down, you're going to see some posts on my Instagram, and this is my YouTube, and this is my Twitter. So that's basically all that is. So this will take you to my bio and some other places. Then after this bootstrap menu, there's another menu at the top that is going to actually show you some areas like courses, blog, homepage, my profile, and settings. So from settings, you can actually go and set up your profile the way you want it, change your name, change your password, and stuff like that. So that is basically the two-way strategy. That's basically how the app looks like. As you can see, this is where you put your name, your phone number, your bio, and stuff like that. You can also change your display name. You can also change your cover image. You can also change your update, your normal image. So basically that's just it. So I hope this video has been helpful, guys. Do well to leave me comments about this. If you have any questions, I'm more than willing to answer you. I've been away for a while, and trust me, I've not been snubbing any of you that have been messaging me on WhatsApp. It's just that my hands were tied and I couldn't just respond to you, right? But I'm back now and I'm ready for your questions. Keep them coming. I'm going to be answering you all your questions, right? I'm going to be dropping another video on another arbitrage method that is very hot right now. So stay tuned. If you're still joining in for the first time, do well to subscribe to my channel. You guys are the reason why I do this, and I love you guys so much.